North Shillong legislator Adelbert Nongrum has extended heartfelt gratitude through the media after recovering from a brief period of medical treatment at the Christian Medical College CMC Vellore. Popularly known as Barit, Nongrum first thanked God for restoring his health. He also expressed appreciation to the Meghalaya government, particularly Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, for arranging his transfer via air ambulance from Shillong to Vellore, which enabled him to access advanced medical care on time. The MLA also conveyed his sincere thanks to the medical teams at both the Dr. H. Gordon Roberts Hospital Shillong and CMC Vellore for their dedicated care. He further acknowledged the support and prayers of the people of Meghalaya, which he said played a vital role in his recovery.
Also here, I would like to extend my thankful heart to Honorable Chief Minister Mr. Conrad K. Sangma and the government who have provided me the air ambulance, the facilities so as to enable me to reach here peacefully, shifting from Dr. H. Gordon Roberts Hospital, Shillong, to this place, CMC Vellore, on the 24th. And I also like to thank to all my respected legislative colleagues who came by themselves to visit during my admission at Robert Hospital, along with all other NDCs.
Reflecting on his health ordeal, Adelbert Nongrum underscored the critical importance of quality health care and urged upon the state government of Meghalaya to give serious attention to strengthening the health sector, which he believes should never be compromised. He also called on the government to create employment opportunities within the state's medical institutions for qualified youth who have completed studies in healthcare, stressing the need to retain local talent rather than seeing it migrate to other regions.
Health issue, the present government can take serious note about how to deal and to uplift and to promote the health care in our beloved state, so that we should not lose any more our potential doctors, our potential person in many fields. We have lost them in many ways. We cannot therefore compromise. Ako apat paru ang ni, jangan kublay ko pagkerpang na kepada doctors, baru ki medical staff ako, Dr. H. Gordon Roberts Hospital juga ai kencing secretary, waktu semua patam yang benar cuma. Dengan timing, bawat masyarakat, bagi doctors, mengabat bahiyang pasal. Kalau akan poin nak timing rupiah hang ni po CMC Vellore Hospital Mantrayo, ini kecil semar ke Mantrayo, manmat ke cikot. Kalau ini kasi ke pemerintah. Apa kado, apa akan power hang ni, ke health issue, cikot cikia mereka sepak Gordon. Nasyim ini kabu berkentu. Nak kata baru tungin sim kia, nak kejauh cikot cikia. Maka cikot cikia mereka sepak pak. Masuk tu ada bawa nak kejeng Shillong. Ada nama dengan penbiang kapam, kapor dengan pam, kapor dengan ki, kapor dengan tia. Jadi kedai kapedongkam, mungkin pergi mau, sangi way. nomor kecikoi cingkia pada gaspa kanumla yang banyak pen baki ki pada hakba kadu shon pun kut nakwa pun pau kum gada kecing sungu sai sin kai ba par kham tam yo brei nda kalami nang ni bat praterik si sondi ngan koi Shillong ala sim nang ni kasi sondi si yo brei nakwa ba numlet video jak shei numlet video jak ayeng kentang ayeng brei Walay panterwa ya kamas bakut kamas kapakerpang kum ka jing songu kejonga ngalayo biang ni kecikon kapor joni kamas kandai san buji apo bukhar parish wakum ta ladaki nono ki papua manyadan berta ken suba manyawan manyadan berta lang makon pau jing songu yo blai nakapata Kamba, boleh nak berta cuma.